Truth or Dare is two groups of actors
One cast is truth, one cast is dare,
performing 10-minute short plays.
and there are 5 plays in each cast.
Brand new plays that no one's ever seen before with the element of truth or dare.
Some are in English language, some in Welsh language, some bilingual.
Yes.
And they're all captioned in all of the languages.
Very accessible.
Wherever you are, whatever tongue you speak, you're more than welcome to come along.
It's like a celebration of voices and writers.
And the audience have to bring along a prop which is used in each of the plays.
Yeah.
And we don't know what the prop's going to be.
Yeah, we have no idea.
Yeah, we'll find out when you find out.
You really have to like dig in that improv skill.
What if I don't know what it is?
Actors are very naughty, and we won't tell you that normally, but we like to shake things up on a production.
Yeah, I kind of want it to be horrendous. I want.
Well, yeah, because you're.
I want it to be something horrendous.
You have just thrown down the gauntlet
Yeah.
to anyone coming
Anyone
to
come,
bring
the most
stupid
ridiculous
thing
item.
to see if they can make you laugh.
Bring the hernia corset.
Bring the
Bring the hernia corset.
Watch a
Yeah, because
squirm.
they know. It's going to be really fresh and exciting, I think. It'll be a good night out.
A very good night out in Mould.
It's not. It's an hour.
There's still time to go out for a meal afterwards.
Yeah.
And so actually seeing them in situ, is that a word? Shit show? Sit show?
My immediate thought was grandmother's knickers. They'd be like, oh! Don't use that.